those two?
Yep.
It's like a 10 millimeter, right?
Yep, 10 millimeter. Easy to come out. Put that mark somewhere here. I get it to you. See if I can reach that much. So easy.
Oh man, no sense. You gotta have a damn step ladder to carry this one.
Bro, this fucking big. Ain't lifted yet.
I ain't even lifted yet.
For real. That's crazy.
You think a 6-inch lift would fit over here to clear that?
Yeah, let me see. Let me see. Yeah. It's like right there, yeah.
Cause when I measured it, the garage 7 foot.
Is it? It'll be.
I heard it would be like a couple inches. Like it'll be close, but it'll be a bit clear.
Yeah.
So that's how you take that mug off.
Yeah, it's just two screws. Yeah. It's right clipped in. Yeah, it's just clipped in from the back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cause I was yanking them.
Right. Then
you can wear a PCV valve.
Yeah,
oh,
right
those
there.
two right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm over here looking down here.
Yeah, I know. That's what I thought too. But when you move the cover, you know, then I could tell. Dude, this
So you pretty much just disconnect that, but from what I was looking at, you gotta actually have one of the right holes connected to the right.
Oh, of course, yeah, of course, yeah, you will definitely.
Because someone ended up posting the video, and matter of fact, on the Facebook page, they weren't getting no oil.
Oh,
collected because they
he had it on the backwards.
Right, backwards.
Yeah. See these little clips be tricky sometimes. Let me see, make sure. I think it's just
so you just supposed to pull, or not pull, but squeeze it, and it should
squeeze
twist
it, right?
up.
I forgot what, I don't know what piece though.
It's the blue one.
Oh, I see. It's this little tab on the bottom. Oh, right.
You can see the oil.
Look at the oil. Look at the oil in there. Yeah, there's oil a little bit. I mean, it's definitely getting through.
Yes, I'm at 7,500 miles. That's what I want.
Oh wow, yeah.
I've been had this mug. I just ain't never get a chance to put it on.
Yeah, going to the city too. Yeah. All right. Then
have to drill.
Did you in the video it say that you don't have to? You can just do it with the one hole. Matter of fact, this is the hole that you put it on.
Right, but on this one you got two
yeah,
holes.
so this is one of them. So I do have to take this out. Okay. Yeah. So I do have to take it. That's where that hole comes from. I'm wondering where the other hole. See, I'm trying to get this. These be tricky. I ain't bring no pliers there, no.
That one they gotta get out the way.
Well, I mean, I could drill two new ones, but
I was gonna say, shoot.
Yeah, I get two hands on this one.
So what was this? Dang, what the heck was that? All right, so this was connected.
Oh, let me see that. Yeah, I don't know what that is.
This was connected to this hole right here.
Just a little hole, just a little clip.
But you gotta remove that piece to install. What's that?
Catch can
bracket.
Yeah, because I got two holes there.
So you want to drill an extra hole.
Yeah.
Beside the hole that's right there.
Right there next to it. Yep. Yeah. I might have a zip tie in the car, so we can just tie this up to this bracket. Get that right. up. Yeah, that's it right there. Right there.
That is simple and easy, huh? I need to give me some tools.
Yeah, for real. Go to, you know the man, the best. I mean, if you ain't looking for nothing,
Like Harbor Freight.
yeah, if you ain't doing no like heavy duty, cause you ain't
No,
like,
I just need
you know what I'm
like
saying, just something basic.
Let's
That'd be the best. That'd be the best place, bro. Cause you know, Harbor Freight. Shit. Need this. Let's see what.
I'm definitely one of them drills. What's some thing called the compact gun or something like that?
Oh,
Impact, yeah, impact gun.
Yeah, those, yeah, definitely one of them. Let me see. Oh, this one put these clips on.
Yeah, he put the clips on in the video. I mean, it don't. Do it need that? Yeah, it needs it. They put it on.
That new EcoBoost, power boost, whatever. I'm gonna push in like 570 torque.
Damn.
On
On
the F-150.
damn. That's good.
So I have to.
On the newer one, they put the more power in that one.
Yeah.
Shit.
See, it torque, but like the horsepower, I think is like 400 or something like that. 400.
See. Make sure this one go down in that one. Yep. This one will make
So step one was to take off the engine cover with a 10mm socket wrench, right? No, socket.
yeah, 10mm socket, yep.
And then after that, step two is to get the oil catch can bracket, remove whatever part that is from the hole, and then you'll have to drill one new hole for it to actually mount right there.
Yeah. I'm gonna make this one bigger. Make this one a little bigger. Then you put on this little metal bracket so the screw threads into it. Let me see it. I gotta open that hole a little. Make it should go through there. Let me see. There we go. Right on.
It's always good to have a handy friend, man. I don't know what they doing.
For real, man.
I don't know shit.
Oh, man. Here we go. Look, right on. Let's see if we got it off a little bit.
Definitely.
Open it up a little bit. That should work. Yeah. It should be good now. How did that move on? Ain't even hit nothing. It's just going from right here to right here.
With all these damn wires.
Man, bro, that's everything. Man, everything nowadays, bro, be all electronic and bro, everything got a sensor on it, man. You know, you look into an old school car.
They don't got none
They
of
ain't
that.
got none of these wires and shit, bro. They, you know,
That's the way.
everything
That's how they
nowadays,
make. That's
man.
how they make their money.
Yep.
All
All these
nowadays gotta have a fucking
components.
sensor.
Sensors that.
Sensor, you know, the thing I just hit that.
Come on, dude. So we got the bracket mounted up.
Yep.
Now we just gotta plug in the hose.
Drill. 1, 2, 3, yeah. Yeah. Put that. What this
That's a thick hose.
Hell yeah, it is, ain't it?
Yeah, the Camaro one I just showed you, man.
God, look.
Thinner.
It's more. Yeah, it is thick. Let's see which way this dude put it on. That sticker on this motherfucker. Put that clip in the back. Let's see. Straight on that script in his head. Oh, it's hitting. Let me get this light.
This here, what?
Got it right here.
Oh, you talking about that intake?
Yeah, it's hitting that one like that. Let me stand on this one. Oh, I see. The bitch gotta go back more. That's why. There we go.
So we're gonna recap on what happened. Take off this engine cover. You need a 10mm socket, 2 screws that need to come off. And then once you do that, you gotta take this part off right here. This thing, and then you will have one hole for the bracket. You will have to drill another one to actually mount it. And after you do that, take the oil catch can, screw it onto it, and then you pretty much connect the hoses to the PCV. What is it? PCV?
Yeah, PCV valve.
The PCV valve, and then the 45-degree side goes to the right, and then the 90-degree go to the left. So pretty much when you install it, it's pretty much like simple, right, and then left.
Yep.
And then after that, that's it. And you just gotta put your cover back on, and that's it. That's the install. But mind you, I got a 2020, so they say that these catch cans are good for 2015 through 2020. So we gonna see how it work. I put mine on late. I got 7,500 miles on it. I do a lot of highway driving, so it's better than never. So we gonna catch this oil. You know, they say it helps the engine a lot. You know, you don't collect all that extra added, what is it?
That oil, yeah.
Oil, blowback oil.
Blowback, yeah.
You know, you don't want to clog up the manifold, the intake and everything. So that's where the oil catch can come in hand, and you change it like whenever needed. But it says recommended at like 15,000 miles.
When I do the oil change.
Whenever you do oil change. Yeah. So.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, that's it for this video, man. If y'all found this video helpful, smash that like button and also hit that subscribe button, man. Peace.